Hey, you! Yeah, the one holding that vape like it's a tiny anxiety lightsaber. We need to talk for a second. And don't worry, I'm not here to judge you, I get it. Life is stressful. Vapes taste like dessert, and everyone makes it seem normal. But vaping isn't just a little habit, it's basically a mini science experiment you're running on your own brain. All day, every day. Before we dive in, though, do me one quick favor. If you want your life to get even a tiny bit better today, just tap the like button. It takes half a second and it tells YouTube, hey, show me more videos that actually help my brain instead of destroying it. And while you're here, consider subscribing to the channel because trust me, your vape is not the only thing quietly messing with your life, and I've got a lot more videos coming to help you figure this stuff out. All right, let's get into it. So, here's something kind of crazy. When you take a hit of nicotine, it reaches your brain in about 7 to 10 seconds. And when it gets there, nicotine basically grabs onto these things called nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. Don't worry about the name. And your brain goes, oh wow, dopamine already? Okay, sure. And for a moment, everything feels lighter, calmer, a little more tolerable. But here's the annoying part. Your brain hates being artificially boosted, so it tries to balance things out by lowering your natural dopamine sensitivity. And suddenly, your motivation is lower, your enjoyment of normal stuff is lower, your focus is worse, and life just feels a little dull. Not sad, just gray. Like someone dimmed the brightness of your whole life and you didn't notice when it happened. And most people don't go, ah, yes, my dopamine receptors downregulated today. No, you just think, ugh, I'm so tired, and you grab the vape again. This is how the loop begins. Nobody starts vaping because they want to be addicted. You started because it seemed harmless, it smelled good, your friends did it, you were stressed, you were bored, whatever the reason. It doesn't matter. Addiction isn't about willpower, it's literally chemistry plus repetition. Nicotine gives you this quick dopamine spike, but it drops right back down afterward and your brain notices the drop and goes, wait, where did the good feeling go? Bring that back. And boom, you're craving again. Withdrawal hits way faster than people expect. After maybe an hour without nicotine, you start feeling irritated, foggy, restless, anxious. Not because your life suddenly got worse, but because your brain is trying to rebalance itself. Your neurons are basically yelling at each other, can someone please bring the nicotine back? We were just getting comfortable. And then, your brain starts wiring habits around vaping. The habit center in your brain, the basal ganglia, learns routines stupidly fast. So now your brain goes studying, vape, driving, vape, scrolling, vape, bored, vape, awkward moment, vape, literally breathing, vape. You're not craving the vape. You're craving the moment your brain associated with the vape. And this is the part that sneaks up on you. Slowly, vaping starts to numb your ability to enjoy normal life. Your baseline dopamine drops, so everyday things feel boring. Your attention span gets shredded, you get that temporary focus boost, and then the crash. And now focusing feels harder than before. And the anxiety? Nicotine literally activates your stress system. Your heart rate goes up, your cortisol goes up, your brain goes into mini fight or flight mode. And ironic twist, the vape you hit to calm down is the reason you needed calming down. Then there's sleep. Nicotine absolutely wrecks it. Even if you sleep 8 hours, your brain didn't get deep, restorative sleep. So you wake up feeling like you slept inside a pop up ad. But here's the part no one talks about it's not just physical, it's psychological. Every time you say, I'm quitting tomorrow, and then you don't, your brain takes notes. You slowly start trusting yourself less. Your confidence dips. You feel less in control. Not because the vape is powerful, but because it feels like you're not calling the shots anymore. But the truth is simple. You're not addicted to nicotine. You're addicted to ending the withdrawal nicotine created. So let's fix this in a way that doesn't suck. The first step is reframing the whole thing. You're not giving up anything. You're removing something that's been messing with your brain chemistry. Nicotine doesn't give you pleasure. It gives you relief from the discomfort it caused. There's a difference. Next, set a real quit date. Not tomorrow. A legit date in the next week. Your brain takes real deadlines seriously. Then, toss every vape you have before that date. Don't keep a backup. If you keep one around, I promise your brain will invent a reason to use it. When your quit day comes, expect withdrawal, but understand what it really is. Cravings come in little waves. They peak for about 2 or 3 minutes, then fade. Most symptoms peak around day 3, then drop off fast. Your dopamine baseline starts improving after about 2 weeks, and every day after that gets easier. And here's a trick most people miss. You're not just quitting nicotine, you're rewiring habits. So replace the behavior. not the chemical. When you feel the urge to vape, just do something small with your hands or mouth. Chew gum, sip water, use a fidget, grab a toothpick, take a short walk, literally anything for 20 to 30 seconds. That's all a craving needs to pass. Track your progress too. Every hour without nicotine is a win. Your brain is healing the entire time. Neuroplasticity, your brain's rewiring ability, kicks in hard once you stop overstimulating it. And then something amazing happens. You start waking up with real energy again. Your anxiety drops. Your focus comes back. You start actually wanting to do things. Food tastes better, breathing feels easier, and most importantly, you feel in control again. Vaping doesn't ruin your life in one big moment, it ruins it quietly, slowly, in the background. But the second you decide you're done, your brain starts fighting for you instead of against you. And that version of you, the clear headed, confident, motivated one, that's the real you. And you're going to like that person a lot more. If you found this helpful, do me one last favor before you go. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me and it motivates me to keep making helpful and educational videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. And seriously, you've got this.